For decades, humans were the exclusive consumers of enterprise data. Today, algorithms and autonomous AI agents pull directly from our databases to make real-time decisions. The danger is that an AI lacks hesitation. Unlike a human analyst who might pause if a sales figure looks strange, an agent takes that number at face value and simply executes. Feed a model outdated records, insert duplicated rows or conflicting metrics, and it will confidently generate wrong answers and trigger flawed actions across your business before anyone notices. Algorithms operate without human intuition or business context. To keep these automated systems from running off a cliff, organizations must build an automated data safety net. Building that safety net is difficult because modern enterprise data looks nothing like a simple two-dimensional spreadsheet. Modern architectures rely on nested arrays to store vast information. This design buries critical data deep within convoluted layers. Because of this dense structure, raw nested data is functionally unreadable to an AI. Before an agent can consume it, the architecture must be translated. That structural translation happens through data profiling, an automated process that runs a comprehensive health check on your datasets. Take Google Analytics 4 event logs as an example. They are massive, heavily nested datasets tracking user behavior across web and mobile platforms. If a system attempts to blindly scan all those nested arrays at the exact same time, it triggers the Cartesian product trap. Row counts explode, metrics like revenue artificially multiply, and the system either crashes or corrupts the analysis. To prevent that corruption, data engineers use materialized views to physically flatten the architecture. This structural shift forces every hidden piece of information out of the arrays and turns them into exposed top-level columns. Flattening the data into two dimensions removes the structural barriers, providing the exact environment machines require to successfully profile the dataset. With the data flattened, platforms like Google Cloud Knowledge Catalog can sweep across the entire table to evaluate what is actually inside. Engineers can run a deep standard mode scan for historical analysis, or deploy a lightweight mode scan that returns results in seconds for low latency, immediate AI grounding. The scan extracts precise statistical metrics from the records. It calculates the percentage of missing values, counts distinct entries, and maps the overall distribution of the data. All of those statistics are then exported into a final output, a pure structural JSON file. This JSON file strips away the noise and leaves behind the mathematical truth of the dataset. It is the objective language an AI agent can actually read and trust. A JSON profile provides a mathematical baseline, but on its own it has no authority to block or quarantine flawed data. To turn these observations into a safety net, the profile is fed into a generative AI model, like Gemini or an anti-gravity CLI. The generative AI acts as an automated analyst. It reads the statistics and instantly drafts logical constraints, like ensuring a transaction column never contains negative numbers. Modern data engineering teams now manage thousands of tables across sprawling pipelines. Using AI to translate raw stats into ready-to-use quality rules across that entire estate eliminates the massive manual bottleneck that traditionally takes months of development time. Before those rules reach production, there is one mandatory final step: the human in the loop. Generative models excel at suggesting constraints based on historical patterns, but human business intuition is still required to review those suggestions, ensure they are safe, and confirm they align with company goals. A data steward reviews the drafted rules and gives the final approval, hardening the rules into an active data contract. Data profiling builds a verifiable, enforceable safety net around every dataset, ensuring AI agents act on a foundation of validated enterprise truth.